I'm Bill with DTE Energy. When customers have a power interruption, they often ask us, why did my power go out? Simple answer is, there can be a variety of reasons. Tops on the list is weather related. Strong storms with heavy winds can knock down our power lines and damage electrical equipment. In cold weather, ice buildup on tree branches can break off and damage our power lines, especially when you add in those high winds. That's one reason why tree trimming around DTE equipment is so critical. Sometimes power will be intentionally interrupted so we can safely make repairs or improvements or do maintenance. Safety is priority one, and that can result in a brief planned outage as well. Power can also be interrupted by equipment malfunctions. Even vehicle accidents can cause a loss of power if a pole, transformer, or substation is part of that collision. Remember this, whatever the reason is for your loss of power, we want to get it flowing again, fast and safely, and we will. That's how DTE works for you. The power you need and the reliability you deserve. Be safe, and thanks as always for watching.